Hello everyone, and welcome to this 12th tutorial in our comprehensive 35-step ALTECAD concrete training course. Today, we're taking things to the next level by tackling a major challenge in structural design, the complete modeling of strip footings and the management of complex intersections. We'll see step by step how to design a footing under a continuous wall, and most importantly, how to definitively solve the problem of overlaps with isolated footings. If you're joining the course mid-course, feel free to check out the previous videos to fully master the AutoCAD interface integrated into AutoCAD. Let's get started. Generating the footings, the line segments often remain independent, which can hinder your future quantity takeoff calculations or the automatic generation of reinforcement. To remedy this, we will use the strip sole join command. Let's begin with the first essential command in our workflow, strip sole. Forget the traditional AutoCAD method of manually offsetting each wall line by line. With AutoCAD, you simply select the polylines of your continuous walls. The application instantly generates the perfect outline of the strip footing, applying the exact overhang you configured. With a single click, the basic structure of your foundations is laid all around the project. This tool will scan your drawing to automatically link and transform all these isolated segments into clean, closed polylines. No more need to use tedious AutoCAD commands like edit or join on every corner. AutoCAD takes care of everything in the background. Oh, let's get to the heart of this. Tutorial 12. The overlap between our continuous footing and the isolated footings of our columns. On the screen, you see this classic collision problem that often causes issues on construction sites if the formwork plan isn't corrected. achieve a flawless result, we activate ALTECAD Concrete's flagship tool, Foot Fusion. See how easily the command merges overlapping polylines. The software applies an intelligent cutting tool that instantly cleans up and removes superfluous interior lines. Your foundations now form a continuous, logical, and perfectly modeled whole. In tutorial number 13, we'll go even further. Until then, stay tuned to follow the project's progress. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to follow the entire 35 video series, and ask your questions in the comments. Thank you for your attention, and see you in the next video.